So you want to learn how to screenshot on a laptop. It's just the same as a PC. The only thing is the keyboards on it are different. So I'll show you the different keyboards on this one, Dell Latitude E6410. And there's another one, and I'll show you another 2 or 3 keyboards that I have laying around. They're basically the same. So on this particular Dell, you got the print screen in blue because it's a smaller keyboard. So you have to hit the function key and print screen, and that'll print your screen. I'll show you another one. In this particular one, it's a Thinkpad, and the print screen is right here at the bottom. It's right there. That's the key. Here, that's the print screen. I'll show you another one. So on this Lenovo, it's right at the top, and you don't need to hit any function key. So that's it. On a regular keyboard, you already probably know where it is. Most of the print screens capture button is right there on the on this keyboard. Now on this one, print screen is not blue, so you just hit print screen and you don't need to hit the function key. On this keyboard, print screen is right there. You don't need to hit any key either. So that's it. I'm gonna hit function and print screen on this laptop. I just capture that screen, and the only thing you do after you capture the screen, open up Paint. You just do a search for Paint. If I can spell. Remember, I got a phone in front of me. So you just open Paint, which comes on XP, Windows 7. I think it might even come on Windows 98, but basically you click on paste, and there's your screen. You know, if you know how to use Paint, which is a simple program, you can make it bigger, make it smaller, whatever. That's it. And all you do is save as, and I'm gonna call it screen capture, whatever it is. Put it on the desktop, and that's it. It will be on the desktop. So there's my file on the desktop, and just a JPEG file, and that's it. Simple as that. So like, dislike, so subscribe, and hit this little bell icon, hit all on it, or don't like this video by clicking here, or dislike it if you don't. Oh, sorry, Gary V. This is a Gary V video. Like it if you do, comment, or do whatever you want. Don't really mind, but I would like for you to subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a great day.